In Creo 13, you can now define and manage sets of predefined feature options for data sharing features, such as external copy geometry, merge and inheritance, and shrinkwrap. Starting with copy geometry, you can use presets to capture your preferred options, including the surface copying options, which properties should be selected for propagation, and selected settings related to the geometry update control. To support this, there is now an improved and aligned workflow for the update control option no dependency that is no longer applied immediately, but only when the feature is completed. As you activate different presets in the presets list, the feature options are immediately modified and set in accordance to the captured states. In addition, you can even capture the definition whether to propagate 3D annotations along with the geometry. In this case, let's turn on Copy All to copy all PMI information along with the geometry. Once the preset is created, you can make it the default preset. When we exit out and create a new feature, you can see that the options are automatically set to the ones saved in the preset that we just made the default. Essentially, this allows you to configure the feature's default behavior to your preference, so it starts up with your favorite settings around aspects such as propagation, update control, as well as the option to copy annotations, as you can see here. The second example demonstrates the usage of presets in the shrinkwrap feature. Here you can, for example, create a set of presets to quickly switch between a first flavor that collects all solid bodies from the involved parts, a second one that collects outer shell surfaces with accuracy level 2, and a third one with accuracy level 4 and additional options checked. The description of the preset that is also shown as tooltip automatically captures information about the saved settings. You can now quickly toggle between these favorite settings by a double click on a selected preset, which activates it and immediately updates the feature's options. Overall, this increases usability and productivity working with data sharing features, giving you the ability to control default settings for selected feature options and to quickly switch between favorite feature settings.